Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you legit Cash App games and apps that actually pay real money, how they work, and how you can start earning as a beginner. Before we start, Cash App is a digital payment platform where you can send, receive, and withdraw money directly to your bank or debit card. Some games and reward apps can cash out directly to Cash App once you reach the minimum payout. Now, most cash earning games don't directly pay you just for playing. Instead, they usually work like this. You play mobile games or complete tasks, you earn points, coins, or rewards, and you redeem those rewards for PayPal, gift cards, or Cash App cash outs. Then you transfer it to your Cash App account, and it's important to check payout proof and reviews before using any app. Now, one of the options that you can look into is InboxDollars. It is a rewards website and mobile app that pays users for completing simple online activities such as surveys, playing games, reading emails, shopping online, testing apps, and redeeming offers. Now, all I have to do is simple. Okay, you need to create an account here. You see there is a sign up button. You can continue creating an account using your Google, your Apple, or your email address. And then you can also download it on Google Play. All you have to do is complete the available tasks such as paid surveys, playing mobile games, reading promotional emails, cashback shopping, trying apps and services, and uploading receipts for purchases. What will happen is you will earn cash rewards in your account. You can redeem your earnings through PayPal, gift cards, or other reward options once you reach the minimum payout threshold. And then, once you earn your money, you can redeem your earnings to PayPal where available. And then you can transfer the funds from PayPal to your linked bank account. And of course, you can use the same bank account with Cash App to access the money. It's super simple. And then Rewarded Play is a mobile app that rewards users with points for playing games, completing in-game goals, watching ads, and trying new apps. Those points can usually be redeemed for gift cards like retailers within Amazon, Walmart, Target, and Best Buy. The app has reached more than 10 million downloads on Android. So all I have to do, speaking of Android, you need to download this on the Google Play Store. And then you need to choose the games from the available offers. You can earn points by playing the games, reaching certain levels, completing missions, and of course, watching the rewarded ads. Now, you can redeem the points for gift cards once you reach the minimum payout threshold. And if your goal is to get money into Cash App, you generally have two options. You can use the apps that offer PayPal cash outs, then transfer the funds from PayPal to your bank and eventually to Cash App if supported in your region. Cash Apples is a mini game where players shake or click virtual apple trees to collect golden apples. Finding golden apples enters players into cash prize drawings and sweepstakes. Cash App launched the game as a limited time promotion with real money rewards, and participants could win up to $200 per day with a maximum of $1,000 during the event. Okay, so after Cash Apples, we have Cash Giraffe, which is a mobile app that lets users earn small rewards by completing simple tasks on their phone, mainly playing and trying out mobile games. It is designed as a get-paid-to-play platform where you install games through the Cash Giraffe app, then earn points based on how long you play or what level you reach. Those points can usually be exchanged for rewards like PayPal cash or gift cards, depending on the availability in your region. Now, keep in mind that earnings are usually very small. It's not a full income source. Rewards depend on your location and offer availability. You often need to reach a minimum payout threshold before cashing out. Tracking only works if you install games through their links inside the app. So all I have to do is download the Cash Giraffe on your mobile device. You can download on App Store or Google Play Store. And then pick a game from their list, install and play it through their tracking system. Earn points for playtime or progress, and then redeem points for rewards. You can also try the Skills platform. It is a mobile gaming arena where players compete against other players in skill-based games for cash prizes or virtual rewards. As you can see, all I have to do is click the play games. There's a lot of games here, included bingo, solitaire, bowling, dominoes, trivia, and other casual mobile games. So all I have to do is download a skills-powered game. Let's say, for example, you wanted to try the Blackout Bingo. Create an account, play the free practice matches to improve your skills, deposit money if you want to enter cash tournaments, win matches to earn cash prizes, and withdraw your earnings through supported payments. Remember, players withdraw winnings through supported methods such as PayPal, bank accounts, or card-linked payment options. If you receive your winnings in a bank account or PayPal, you can transfer that money to Cash App separately if your accounts are linked. So there's basically popular games like Domino's Gold, which I play a lot, Strike, Solitaire, 21 Blitz, and a lot more. And then you might want to try the Mistplay is a rewards app that pays users for playing mobile games. Now, instead of paying cash directly, it will give you points called units that you can exchange for gift cards like PayPal, Visa, Amazon, Google Play, and other rewards depending on your country. Now, creating an account here is super simple, alright? Download Mistplay on Android and then create an account. Install the game through the Mistplay app. All I have to do once you have installed is that you need to play those games and earn GXP or Game Experience points, units, or reward points. Now, you can redeem units for gift cards or other rewards once you reach the minimum payout threshold. Remember, Mistplay does not directly send money to Cash App, but what you can do, similar to other option, is that if you receive the PayPal funds, you'll be able to transfer them to your bank account and then add the money to your Cash App. Of course, availability depends on your region and the rewards currently offered in Mistplay. While this is not a full-time income source, Mistplay is legit. I've been using this for quite some time and I earn around $5 to $20 per month casually. It's a passive income, while more active users can sometimes earn more through bonuses and promotions. Cash App games can be a fun way to earn extra money, but they're not a full-time income source. So think of them as a side hustle money, extra pocket cash, and passive earning while gaming. But of course, you can always use multiple legit apps at the same time. You can focus on apps with low cash out limits and always check recent reviews before downloading. And basically, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.